back to my channel, everyone. This is Donnie, and you're watching Diamond Painting by Donnie. Today I'm going to unbox a diamond painting from a new company. I've not heard about anyone ordering from this company, but as you may know, I don't get to watch too many videos, so it may be a company that's already known about, but it's new to me. The name of the company is called Diamond Painting Gifts. The name of this diamond painting is called Orange-Eyed Kitty, and here's what it looks like. Now, I chose this one because it reminds me of my most favorite cat in the world that I had. He died about 2 months before Tesslynn was born, and so she never got to meet him, but he was just the sweetest cat in the world. So the diamond painting came in a box. I have pulled it out because I really needed to figure out what I had and what arrived and whatnot. So it's not in the box right now, but this is how it arrived inside the box. It was rolled around the drills, and here's the drills with the inventory sheet. Looks like they double checked the inventory to make sure everything was there. You've got check marks here and check marks here, but we will do check mark inventory as well on this video. This is a 55 by 40. On their website, it is $29.95 for this 40 by 50. I'm not sure if they have any specials going on, but if they give me any kind of special discount or whatever for you, I will have it in the description box. So please be sure to check that when you're clicking the links. Let's look. Here is what the toolkit that comes with. They give you 2 pens. They give you a 9-placer, a 3-placer, a 6-placer, a bag full of baggies. They give you, oh, look at all this, tons of wax. They give you a MOSFA tray. This is the ones that say MOSFA on the back, and these are a bit wider. And then a squishy. Now, what we want to look and see is the canvas. Alright, so this is double-sided adhesive. It has, I can't tell how many colors. It's numbered on the inventory sheet, so we'll figure that out at that point. Let's see. So, this is how I check for puckers. Look on the back, and you don't see anything puckering up, so no puckers on it. That's a good start. And I like it when they loosely roll it around the drills, because then you don't get a lot of tension, and it's less likely that you're going to get bubbles in the canvas when you open it up. But the way to get the curve out is you pull back the cover and then put it back down, and then you pull back the cover on the other side and put it back down, and then you got it perfectly flat. So we're going to do that here. I'm going to go ahead and take it off and pull it back as far as I can so you can see the canvas. And then when I pull back the other side to release the rest of the pressure, we will, I'll show you the drill field. I love this image. I mean, it looks just like my sweetie. Oh, look at that. There's going to be a lot of blending going on in this because this is very confettied. Look at that. Oh, look at that. And that's so pretty. And I don't see any bubbles so far. That's good. Alright, so let's lay this back down. And now we have a nice flat canvas on this side, and then this side now, see, it's not too bubbled, I mean curved, but see, you can still see it's taking the shape of the box on this side, and this side is flat. That's what you do when you, that's why if you store your diamond paintings flat, this is what you want to do to make them as flat as possible, is you do this so that you can have a nice flat canvas when you go to work on it. And you want to carefully lift it up because it's very easy to rip these when you're doing it fast. And Okay, let's pull back this other side. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. So there is a lot of color blocking in the background, and it's 310. It looks green in the camera, but it's 310, so it is black. I love this smell of, you know, plastic when you first open it. And majority of the colors are, the symbols are black. There's a few white for the darker colors like black, but I do not see any bubbles whatsoever. So we actually have a pucker. How did I not see it? Well, you can see it now. Right there. Oh yeah, it's pretty big. Well, so it may have looked like there was a pucker on this, but this is the first time this has ever happened where it was just a simple matter of pressing down on it, because I've had this sitting rolled up for a couple of months. I didn't realize I had it here, but it's been here for 2 months, and because of it being rolled, the adhesive separated a little bit from the canvas itself, and so that's why when I looked on the back, I did not notice any puckers, but it looked like there was one from the front when I turned it over. But what I did was I just laid the cover back over it, pressed it down, and it stuck to the canvas. So that was my fault for leaving it rolled up too long. I personally do not like leaving my diamond paintings rolled up, because that's not how they're meant to be once the adhesive is on there. I mean, they roll them up for shipping and everything, but they're not meant to be left rolled. So things can happen if you leave them rolled up. But this was immaculate, other than, you know, the fact that I made that boo-boo. But here's the drill filled, so you can get a glimpse at these symbols. Nice and clear. We've got letters, it looks like, and numbers and symbols. So I wouldn't have any problem. I don't see any issues reading any of these symbols. They're nice and clear. And let's see, we do have a key on the bottom right and the top left, and they do have DMC codes, which is always good for those that like to repurpose or file away their leftover drills so that they can have a stash of them if you're missing colors from another painting or whatnot. So DMC codes are great to have on your diamond paintings. I'm just getting the air pockets out. And now we'll look at the drills and see, to make sure everything, we'll do a triple check on them, since a double check has already been done from the company. Here is our inventory sheet. And our drills. All right, it looks like we have 35 colors. And on these inventory sheets, I don't do this type of diamond painting unboxing very often, but on this type where they've got the inventory sheet, it tells you how many packets of each color, which is right here, that you should have. And this is the quantity of diamonds total that you need for the diamond painting. So for every 200 diamonds that you need, they send you a packet. So 585 would be 3 bags, because that would be 600. So that's apparently what they sent, is 3 bags. So we will find out here in a minute, and I will fast forward so you don't have to spend time listening to me just double check. Okay, everything is accounted for. So yeah, there's 48 bags of black, 310, and everything else is mostly browns, some dark reds, and some oranges. This is probably the brightest color we have right here, number 606. Well, it looks like 909, but it's 606. And a little bit of yellow. I do like that they put the, when they do the baggies with the holographic numbers on them, it's a lot easier to read. Even the 310 you can see is in blue, so you can, well, if you get it at the right angle, you can read it fine. Yeah, so yeah, some of these colors were really dark, and it's kind of hard to read the number on the bags when they do it in the regular paint, you know, black or white. You know, sometimes it's just so hard to read them, but I was able to read it just fine. And they're double checking along with my triple checking. Yeah, they're all here. Not an issue whatsoever with that. So yeah, this will definitely be one that I will have to do. I am going to be destashing a bunch of diamond paintings in my, that I have stashed away, because, you know, considering I'm almost 50 now, and I think I have more than 50 years worth of diamond paintings left. So even if I'm able to diamond paint until I'm 100 years old, I probably still have some that I need to get rid of, especially considering these, you know, I'm not done collecting, or whatever you want to call it, but this is just, that's how I do things. If I were ever to get stuck with no electricity, or in a cabin in the woods where there's nothing else to do, I always have something to do. And that's how I've always been. I collect yarn. I have tons of yarn. That's all boxed up in my storage. I have tons of diamond paintings. I'm collecting cross stitch now. I'm collecting all sorts of other crafts. And not only that, it keeps my kids in crafts as well, because my daughter has picked through my things and actually has taken quite a few of my diamond paintings already. And so she's into it, and that's great. I love being able to get the younger generations into the crafting world, because it's so much better for your mind to be occupied than in electronics. That's my opinion. So yeah, I hope you liked this unboxing. Let me know if you've ordered from this company before. And like I said, if they have any specials going on or sales, I know you can get a discount if you buy two. I think it's buy two, get 5% off, buy three, get 10% off, buy four, get 15% off. I believe that's a special that I saw on there when I was gathering my information today. But I'll let you know if they have any kind of other things going on. So be sure to check down in the description box, and I will link this beautiful diamond painting down there for you. So let me know what I'm gonna try to do the question of the day again, because I love the interaction with you guys, and just to be able to see and hear your answers. It's really fun for me. So my question of the day today is, what is your favorite subject to diamond paint? Who knows? I may have already asked this question, but I've had this channel for 2.5 years now. So there may be some things that I'm asking again, but all the people that weren't around for those first ones to answer can answer now. And I do read all my comments, and I may not always respond to them, but I do try to make sure when I do read it, I give it a heart. So if you see a heart on your comment, you know that I have read it. And I do appreciate every single one of you and your comments. And thank you very much to Diamond Art Gifts for sending me this diamond painting. It is going to be a treasure for me, because it just reminds me of my kitty cat. So yeah, leave your comment down below and answer the question of the day. Also, hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos like this one. And also, let me know if you've heard of this company before, and if you've ordered from them previously. I would be interested to hear what you have to say. Thank you again for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.